The American accent seems easy peasy lemon squeezy until you actually try speaking the accent. If you have been learning the American accent, I'm pretty sure that you might have come across some sounds, some letters, some words that you're not able to pronounce it correctly. In my previous videos, some of you commented saying that you are not able to pronounce certain words correctly or certain sounds correctly, so I thought I'll be addressing those issues in this video. Speaking an American accent is an art and anyone can learn it with some effort and practice. Although I have covered most of the sounds in my previous videos, if you haven't watched them, do go check it out. You'll find it somewhere here, or you can just go to the homepage and find the playlist for American accent. So in this video, I'll be including some of the things that you can focus on to refine your American accent. First, let's start with the flap T or the tap T. So this is the thing that differentiate in an English accent and American accent. When the letter T comes between two vowel sounds, it sounds like a soft D. So let me show you some examples. In Indian accent, we will say it as water, but in American accent, it is like water, water. Then we have better, city, pretty, computer, meeting, waiting, writing. Try practicing this sentence. I bought a bottle of water in the city. You know, the letter T itself has different personalities in the American accent. So the next one is the hidden T or the glottal T. Sometimes when Americans speak, they don't actually pronounce the T sound. But most Americans don't use it, they just say mountain, mountain. In Indian accent, we will say mountain. But in American accent, you will say mountain. You're just dropping the T sound there. You're just contracting it and it's like mountain, mountain, or mountain, mountain, or mountain. Some other words are button, button, kitten, kitten, certain, certain, important, important, fountain, fountain, cotton, cotton, cotton. Sometimes even I find it difficult to say it this way. Important. It's like important. Important. You're just engulfing the T sound. Pronouncing these words with the T sound is correct, but to sound more natural, you just have to engulf the T sound. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel because you'll be learning more skills, more values and insights that I've learned the hard way so that you don't have to. Now, another personality of the T sound is that the T disappears completely in fast speech. For example, in the word internet, when Americans say it fast, they will say it as internet, internet, interview, interview, interaction, interaction, center or center, winter, 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 winter. It sounds like winner. But now one more thing. Now this is not regarding American accent, but I think this is applicable for all English accent. Like this is a pronunciation rule in English as a language. Article the, 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 you pronounce it in two different ways. A few years back, I was really confused with these two sounds. Now where are these sounds used? You use the before consonant sounds. That is, for example, the university. Even though university starts with U, the sound there is not of a vowel. So it's a consonant sound, so you use the university. Other examples are the book, the car, the teacher. But whenever the article the comes in front of a vowel, we pronounce it as the. So the sound is used before vowel sounds. Vowel sounds, not a vowel letter, but the vowel sounds. For example, the apple, the orange, the egg. In the word hour, the starting letter is H, which is a consonant, but the starting sound is a, which is a vowel sound. So you're using the R. So once again, the umbrella, the university, the hour, the book, the car, the teacher, the cat. Now somebody had commented in my previous video about this sound, that is the TH sound. Indian accent, we are like TH is given more stress, but in the American accent, we don't actually stress it. The TH has two different variations. That is, one is the voiceless TH and the voiced TH. In the voiceless TH, we pronounce it like this. See, you're not actually touching your tongue with the teeth. How do you say that? In Indian accent, we'll say think, think. You're actually closing your mouth and your mouth is touching the teeth, right? But in American accent, it's like think, think. See, you're closing your mouth like this. You're putting your tongue towards the front a bit, but you're not actually closing it. You leave a small gap, and then you're, blowing air through it. Some other words are three, through, bath. It's not bath, it's bath. So you're not actually touching your tongue. The second one is the voiced th, as in this, that, those, mother. Kind of sounds like a softie again. Now, another doubt somebody asked in the comments was about the word literally. In the American accent, literally has 4 syllables: li, the, ra, li. In the second syllable, the T sounds like a soft D. It's li, the, ra, li. Li, the, ra, li. Literally. Literally. Literally, I find it hard to teach you how to pronounce literally. I find it really hard when you have to say it fast in a sentence, but you can improve it by practicing it. And another word was etc. Again, it is etc. 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 It's not etc. It's etc. Etc. To be honest, I too struggle with some of these sounds. And yeah, I'm trying my best to learn it. And speaking an American accent is an art, and anyone can learn it with some effort and practice. I hope this video was useful and you have taken one step towards mastering the art of speaking an American accent. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel because you'll be learning more skills, more values, and insights that I've learned the hard way so that you don't have to. So bye, see you in the next video.